Welcome to day 13 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Today, we're focusing on mindful toothbrushing, a practice that transforms a simple daily routine into a moment of presence and care. Mindful toothbrushing helps us slow down, pay attention to the details, and appreciate the act of caring for our health. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice, brushing your teeth with awareness. You'll need your toothbrush, toothpaste, and about 2 minutes to be fully present. Ready? Let's begin. Begin by preparing your toothbrush. Notice the texture of the bristles as you run water over them. Squeeze the toothpaste gently and observe its color and scent. Bring your focus to the process of getting ready. As you start brushing, tune into the sensation of the bristles on your teeth and gums. Notice the texture of the toothpaste, the temperature of the water, and the movements of your hand. Be fully present in the act. Divide your mouth into 4 sections: upper right, upper left, lower right, and lower left. Spend about 30 seconds brushing each quadrant, moving your attention systematically as you clean. Let this structured approach anchor your focus. Notice your breathing as you brush. Feel the air enter and leave your nostrils. Allow your breath to remain steady and natural, complementing the rhythm of your brushing. Once you've finished brushing, rinse your mouth slowly and take a moment to appreciate the feeling of cleanliness and care. Reflect on how this mindful act contributes to your overall well-being. So, why does mindful toothbrushing matter? It's an opportunity to practice mindfulness in a routine task, helping you start or end your day with awareness and gratitude. Mindful toothbrushing reminds us to find joy and presence, even in the smallest daily moments. Now, let's reflect. How did mindful toothbrushing change the way you felt about this everyday task? Did it help you feel more present or relaxed? For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's mindfulness practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 13 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Let's carry this sense of mindfulness into our routines and make every moment meaningful. See you tomorrow for day 14. Stay serene and brush mindfully.